Hey everybody, good afternoon. This is Tyler Hill at MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. Today we're looking at a 2024 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk in the gorgeous Glacier Green Hull Color. This is an absolutely amazing Boston Whaler classic, one of our best-selling models here. This one is loaded up. Just about every available option chosen on this one. Got the 115 Mercury. It's got the water sports tow bar. It's got the teak package. It has a stainless steel prop on that motor. You have the backrest here for the seats, the aft seats. It has a live well underneath the helm seat. Look at the beautiful teak accents even up here on the gunnels. Simrad GPS, JL audio, stereo system, all the right gauges, Bimini top. Has a cushion package as well. So you have a cushion for your cooler seat here with a backrest, and you also have a bow cushion. This is just one of those boats that stays in families. They become family heirlooms. People love them. They pass them down to their kids. Even have a fold-away tongue on the trailer, so it'll fit in a lot of garages. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. This is a 2024 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. It is available. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.